Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can add Discord link on TikTok. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Discord application on your device. Now here, first of all, you need to go to your own server. Inside your server, you can see the option of invite members. You tap on it. Now here you can see the link of your Discord. You need to tap on the link. As you can see, the invite has been copied. Now you go and open your TikTok account. Now here at the TikTok homepage, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. You tap on it. First of all, at your profile, you need to tap on 3 horizontal line on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. There you need to tap on settings and privacy. Now you go to manage account. Make sure that your account is in business mode. So you tap on switch to business account. Tap on next. Now here at the profile, you need to tap on edit profile. Inside the edit profile, you can see the option of website. You tap on it. Now you paste the Discord link over here. Tap on save on top right side of the screen. And with that, the website has been added. Now you go to your profile. There you can see the Discord link. You tap on it. Now here you can see it will take to your Discord link. Here if you tap on accept invite, then you will be added to the server. This is how you can add a Discord link on TikTok. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can add Discord link on TikTok bio. Thank you.